The problems, I think up to 13 problems explained. 14th to 25th. What about the procedure? Here discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined by f of x is equal to 13th problem. 14th problem, f of x is equal to here 3. What about the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1? Next 4 1 less than x less than 3. Next 5 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So discuss the continuity. Here 1 common, verify at x is equal to 1. 3 also common, okay, verify. Discuss continuity at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. There is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus means less than 1. Less than 1 means 3. Okay, so 3. What about right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. So 1 plus f of x means limit x tends to 1 plus greater than. So greater than 1 means that the value is 4. Okay, it is 4. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore f of x is discontinuous. F of x is not continuous. F of x is not continuous. At x is equal to 1. Next verify at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. So at x is equal to 3, what about left hand limit? What about left hand limit? Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 3 minus. 3 minus means less than. Less than means what about the function? Value is 4. Means it is 4. What about right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. There is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus means greater than. Greater than means it is 5. Value is equal to 5. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Here also f of x is not continuous. Not continuous means discontinuity. Not continuous. At x is equal to 3. Okay. At x is equal to 1 is not a continuous. At x is equal to 3 is not a continuous. What about 0? What about 10? So in 0 below all values it is a continuous. So here also 10 also. So after 10 means the every value also it is a continuous function. So this is the problem number 14. In 15th also same method. 16th also same model. 17th already they given. 17th problem, find the relation between a and b so that the function f is defined by is continuous at x is equal to 3. F of x is equal to ax plus 1, x less than or equal to 3, bx plus 3, x is if x is greater than 3 is a continuous. At x is equal to 3 is continuous. Is continuous they given means what is that meaning? Left hand limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x is equal to f of 3. So if you take limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, 3 minus means less than means ax plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus means greater than bx plus 3. So bx plus 3. If f of 3 means you take it, or otherwise you take it as it is only, no problem. Substitute x plus 3. A into 3 plus 1 is equal to b into 3 plus 3. Therefore 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. Therefore 3a is equal to 3a 3b plus 2. Now transposition. What about the value? Here a is equal to b plus 2 by 3 is the relation. In the same way, 18th to 18th to 25th problem, the same model. For example, if you take 18th problem, here at x is equal to 0, left hand limit verify, left hand limit, right hand limit. So here is not possible for lambda value. What about a continuate at 1? At 1 means verify, x greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3 possible. So is a continuous. 19th problem, x minus greatest integer function. So it is also, it is not a continuous function. Next, 20th, f of x is equal to x square minus sin x plus 5 is continuous at x is equal to 5. X plus substitute pi, pi square minus sin pi plus 5, pi square minus sin pi means 0 plus 5, pi square plus 5. Next, limit x tends to pi f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi f of x means x square minus sin x plus 5, x plus substitute simplify, both values substitute simplify, it is a continuous. In 21st also, ABC already given the concept. Sin x, all trigonometric functions is the continuous functions. Sin x continuous function, cos x also continuous function, sum also continuous function, difference also continuous function, product also continuous function. In a 22nd also, cosine, cosecant, secant, cotangent functions also, all trigonometric functions are the continuous functions. Question number 23. Question number 23. Find all points of discontinuity of f where f of x is equal to sin x upon x, x less than 0, x plus 1, x greater than or equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0 verify. At x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 means, what about left hand limit? Left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. There is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means sin x upon x. There is equal to limit x tends to 0. Sin x upon x means it is 1. What about right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Means limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means greater than. Greater than means x plus 1. X plus 1. Substitute x plus 0. 0 plus 1. There is equal to 1. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Therefore, f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. So, next 24th and 25th also same model questions. Next. So, 26th to 30th problem, very important questions. So, compulsory 4 marks question. So, in 49th, in question paper, board paper, 49 and 50th question, A, B questions are there. In 49, A and B, 50 also A and B. So, one question is there, compulsory 26th to 30th. So, the given question, find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point in exercise 26 to 29. So in 26th problem, f of x is equal to k into cos x upon pi minus 2x, where x is not equal to pi by 2. Next, 3, x is equal to pi by 2. So at x is equal to pi by 2 is the continuous. Already they given is the continuous. So at x is equal to pi by 2, at x is equal to pi by 2 is the continuous. What about the condition? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of pi by 2. So not equal to 0, not equal to means here less than also possible, x less than pi by 2 also possible, x greater than pi by 2 also possible. If you take anything, so limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. So here if you take anyone, no problem. So therefore limit x tends to pi by 2 plus k into cos x upon pi minus 2x is equal to f of pi by 2 means 3. Now whenever you substitute x plus pi by 2, cos 90. Cos 90 means 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. Next, x plus substitute pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2. 2 to cancel. Pi minus pi. It is the 0 by 0 form. Whenever 0 by 0 form, it is called the indeterminate form. Whenever indeterminate form, so now you can write as here also limit x tends to pi by 2, limit x tends to pi by 2. So indeterminate form means IDF form. Whenever IDF form is there, differentiate k as it is. Cos x differentiation minus sin x divided by denominator pi differentiation 0 minus 2 as it is. X differentiation 1, there is equal to 3. Now x plus substitute pi by 2 minus k into sin pi by 2 upon minus 2 is equal to 3. So minus minus cancel. K into sin pi by 2 means 1. Cross multiply 2 into 3. There is equal to k is equal to 6 is the correct answer. So in the same way, 27th also same model. 28th, 29th, 30th also same model. So here if you question number 28, same. F of x is equal to kx plus 1. Here x less than or equal to pi. Next cos x x greater than pi, already they given. At x is equal to pi is continuous. Is continuous means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of pi. Means left hand limit means limit x tends to pi minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi plus f of x. There is equal to f of pi. Means if you take limit x tends to pi minus means less than kx plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to pi plus means greater than cos x. Now substitute k pi plus 1 is equal to cos pi. Cos pi value k pi plus 1 is equal to minus 1. K pi is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 by pi. So this is the model. In the same way, 29th also same, 30th also same. 38th simplify the values a and b. Question number 30. F of x is equal to 5. So if x is less than or equal to 2, ax plus b, 2 less than x less than 10. Next 21, x greater than or equal to 10. So is continuous function. Is continuous function means here 2 is there common. Here at x is equal to 2 is the continuous. 10 also is there. 10 also is the continuous. At x is equal to 2. Is continuous. So what about the value? Left hand limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. What about the value? Limit x tends to 2 minus less than means 5. There is equal limit x tends to 2 plus greater than ax plus b means 5 is equal to 2a plus b. Treat as equation 1. Next, at x is equal to 2 is over. At x is equal to 10. At x is equal to 10 means left hand limit means limit x tends to 10 minus f of x is equal to, here also is continuous. Already they given question. Limit x tends to 10 plus f of x. Therefore, limit x tends to 10 minus means less than means ax plus b. There is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus greater than means 21. 10a plus b is equal to 21. Treat as equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. So what about the value? 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equal to 5. Next, 10a plus b is equal to 21. Here minus cancel. Here 8a is equal to 16. Here 8a is equal to 16 minus 16. A is equal to minus 2. A is equal to here minus 8a minus 16 means a value a value, substitute any equation 1 and 2.